Hi, Wesley, the Gizmo Guy here. Today I'm going to show you how you can add Bluetooth, how to install Bluetooth to a car radio that does not have Bluetooth. Today we'll be showing you how you can add Bluetooth to your second generation Mercedes CLK Class C209. Mercedes CLK Class C209 will be adding Bluetooth to this C209. Come with very equipped with the navigational system, as well as a Bluetooth cradle connections for the Mercedes Bluetooth adapter. However, the Mercedes Bluetooth adapter is outdated. As I say, this car is 2005, so even if you buy the Mercedes adapter, it will be an outdated Bluetooth technology. So the easier and the quicker way to add Bluetooth is by using the Gizmo Guy Gadget Bluetooth adapter. Let me show you how we can get Bluetooth to this radio right here. First, let's watch this customer review. A nice customer sent me this review video that would explain everything.
How are you doing? I just would like to do a quick review for the Gizmo Guy transmitter that I got recently. That's the professional edition, I think they called it, or something like that. It's can be used, or it's need to be used with any car that it doesn't have a built-in Bluetooth. So simply the phone will be connected to this device by Bluetooth, and then it's transmitting on a specific radio channel, and that you can choose. And then you listen to the music exactly like you have a Bluetooth in your car. What I did just extra, I didn't connect it to the lighter here just to get better results. I connected to a battery bank here, as you can see. That's the battery bank here, and that's the USB power for it, and it's just sound perfect, exactly like Bluetooth. So here's my phone. I will hit play here, and that's the music. Exactly, yeah. And here is, you can next previous song, bass, mode, and you can also adjust the volume. It's actually perfect device, worth every penny I spend on it. And the gentleman who sell this, he's a very honest guy. I dealt with him twice, and he helped me a lot to choose the right product, because the Mercedes-Benz has a special kind of optic cables between the stereo and the speakers. Yeah, so he helped me to choose the right product, so I would recommend it strongly. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.
Gizmo Guy Gadget. Gizmo Guy Gadget is a simple gadget that allows you to add streaming music, talk hands-free, as well as GPS navigation from your smartphone right through your older car stereo system. You do not need to replace the head units. You do not need to take it out or take it apart by adding anything to it. All you got to do is plug in the Gizmo Guy Gadget into your car and set your radio, and then you're ready to go.
Short video of Gizmo Guy's Gadget that's installed in my 2005 Mercedes-Benz SL600. Quick view of the install, which is a hidden install, and is basically a permanent install. Once this unit is installed and powered, all you have to do is bring your iPhone into the vehicle, and it starts playing instantly. Instantly, if I can get it. Go, come on. bring your recording device in, make sure that the Bluetooth is connected, or that the phone itself is putting out a Bluetooth signal. Other than that, this is plug and play. It's I've used this all over the LA basin, Los Angeles basin. No static, no drop-offs. I've tried all prior to getting this. I've tried just about every single one of the FM transmitters available, $20 up to around $50. And they worked great when you were sitting in the vehicle in one place, but as soon as you started moving around, it would start picking up other signals. It would drop off, get real staticky. As you can hear, this is clear. Volume, I can't even put the volume on full volume. I also use an iPad with this, so hopefully I'll be able to show you the iPad shortly.